Namaste. One who worships Lord Vishnu is always protected from financial troubles. Lakshmi is the wife of Lord Vishnu. When you worship Lord Vishnu, naturally, Goddess Lakshmi also bless you. And so, in this podcast, I have recited a beautiful Vishnu mantra. And you have to recite this Vishnu mantra for 18 times every day. In this podcast also, I have recited this Vishnu mantra for 18 times. For some of you, it may be difficult to pronounce, but since I have given the letters, you can read it and try to recite it. Financial troubles generally come when you are going through the last phase of Shani Sadesati, when your Rahu Dasha is running, when there are certain bad planetary aspects connected to your 11th house, 4th house, and 8th house. Because all these houses are connected with your income. 4th house is the 11th house from 6th house. 6th house is your job, your routine job. And the money that you receive, that is your salary, is connected with your 4th house. So any bad planetary influence on 4th house impacts your income that you receive from your job. Similarly, 8th house is the 11th house from the 10th house. So whatever income you receive, whatever profits you gain from your business is connected with the 8th house and the 8th house Lord. And finally the 11th house, which is the sum total of all the incomes that you receive, either through job or through business. And so any bad planetary influence on the 11th house can also impact your income. And so the best way is to always recite Lord Vishnu mantra. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. So this is the beautiful Vishnu mantra. And you should always light a lamp using ghee, cow's ghee, beneath a peepal tree or a shami tree. If you are placing it near a peepal tree, then it should be on every Wednesday. And if you are placing it beneath shami tree, then it should be on every Sunday. So if you do this consistently and you continue to recite this beautiful Vishnu mantra, which I am going to recite again for 18 times in this podcast. So please listen to it, and I am sure that if you follow, you will definitely benefit. Always remember, it all begins with you. And so you have to take the efforts. So let's begin with this podcast as I recite the beautiful Vishnu mantra. You should chant this Vishnu mantra every morning and evening for 18 times. I will now recite the beautiful Vishnu mantra. Shantakaram bhujagashyanam padmanabham suresham vishwadharam gaganasadrisham meghavarnam shubhangam lakshmikantam कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगीभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णु भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। The meaning of this beautiful Vishnu mantra is, I bow to Lord Vishnu, the preserver and the protector of the universe, who is peaceful, who reclines on the great serpent bed, from whose navel springs the lotus of the creative power, who is the supreme being who supports the entire universe, who is all-pervading as the sky, who is dark like the clouds and has a beautiful form, the Lord of Lakshmi, the lotus-eyed one, whom the yogis are able to perceive through meditation. Salutations to Lord Vishnu, who removes the fear of worldly existence and who is the Lord of all worlds. Start reciting this powerful Vishnu mantra every morning and evening, and even when you are free or taking a walk. The more you recite, the more you will come out of the tight clutches of Saturn, and then you don't have to dance anymore. You can relax, you can come back home. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।